Hey guys, welcome to Drift into Code, and for the first video of our Tech Spotlight series, we're going to be talking about one of the features within session settings in Salesforce. But before anything else, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to be updated of some future contents in this channel. Caching is a very common term in the technical sense, and it allows your web pages to store your historical trail in order for them to load the pages, components, and the rendering much faster and much quicker. However, there are some few functionalities within the session settings in Salesforce that you can probably tweak in order to further improve your user experience within the platform. Say, for example, we have a use case that you need to create a new custom field on the account object, and you need to add the custom field on the page layout and save it. You also ensure that the custom field has been assigned properly to your correct user profiles. However, if you go to the Lightning page after a few refreshes, you still can't see the field within the Lightning page or the Lightning record page particularly. It seems like a very complex problem, but the solution is actually very simple. So let's go and deep dive. So if you go to our setup in Salesforce on the object manager, and we're going to go into the account object, and on the fields and relationship, for example, we created a new custom field called trading name. So trading name is a text area, and our goal is to add the trading name to one of the account page layout, say for example the account layout. So going into the account layout, let's just quickly search for the field name again, which is trading name, and do a click and drag into the page layout area. As soon as we've done that one, just do a quick save in order for the page layout to be updated. Let's just go quickly on the page layout assignment just to be sure that the page has been updated and the page has the correct access to your correct user profile. At the meantime, I'm working as a system admin in this Salesforce instance. And as a system administrator, the account layout has been assigned to me correctly. Now let's go on the Lightning page side. So on the account object, let's open a sample account in the system, United Oil and Gas Corp. And on here, on the details record page or details record area, if you recall a few moments ago, we added the trading name field on this page layout. However, after a few refreshes, we still can't see the field in there. Again, it looks like a very complex problem, but the solution is just actually very simple. So let's go back to the account setup and go to home. And on your home, just type session settings and open the session settings. On the session settings, we have a few number of checkboxes and options that we can further manipulate. And particularly on the caching section, on the second checkbox, enable secure and persistent browser caching to improve performance. Let's uncheck this one and quickly save the settings. Now let's go back to our Lightning record page again and do a quick refresh. So what we did there is we disabled one of the settings within session settings and then do a quick refresh. And there it is. The trading name field can now be seen on your page layout. So there are some instances that new custom fields added to the page layout, it takes time for the custom fields to appear on the page layout. So a very simple or a quick aha moment for me, or a quick trick that you can do, is to update your session settings and uncheck that particular setting within the session setup. So now on your account Lightning page, you can put in your additional details on your trading name field, which is what we created a few moments ago. So there it is, folks. If you want to further learn about some Salesforce tricks, some aha moments that I've discovered personally, and some cool functionalities and new releases within the Salesforce platform, don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video.